Welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support. A big shout out to Ashley from Danger Zone. Thank you for watching. I am going to be making my hamburger spread for my burgers. You're going to need garlic, butter, cream cheese, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and parsley. On to the video. The first thing we're going to be doing is softening the cream cheese so it's easier to mix. And we're only going to use half a stick of butter. So we're going to get that at room temperature. Basically, you got to soften it. So that's the first thing. I'll be putting it in a bowl. Once you put it in a bowl, you're going to let it soften. When this is softening, you can chop up the 3 tablespoon chopped parsley, which I already took the liberty of doing, but I will show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do with the parsley is get it off the stem, like that, and then you're going to take your knife and chop it. Then you take your knife and chop it. You just do it like this, back and forth. Keep doing it until it's chopped. See, it's chopping it. That's all you got to do to chop it. Now that the butter's softened, you just mix the two together. Otherwise, it would be too hard to do this step if you try to do it with cold butter. You have to bring it to room temperature. Basically, soften it. That way, it's easier to mix. Now, to prepare the garlic, all you do is put your knife on it. Make sure your hands is away from the blade, but you got to press down to smash it, and that will cause the skin to pop. See, the skin's coming off. It's easier to do it this way than peeling it. See, it came off. You do both cloves like that. Then we'll run it through the garlic press. Now all I'm doing is running the garlic through the garlic press. That's 1 clove. That's 2 cloves. And the garlic's in. Now all we got to do is add, we have a 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and 3 tablespoons chopped parsley. You just mix everything together. And I'll show you what I do after this. Now you're going to be forming it into a log. That way when you cut it, you're going to cut it in pats like you would butter. Basically, this is a garlic butter for your burgers. So you're going to form it into a log. So you just start shaping it with a spoon. Try to get it into a log. I'll be back after I get it shaped. All you got to do to level out the sides, 2 different knives. Just bring it straight in like that. And you can actually level it off too, like that, so it's more straight. Then all you gotta do is remove the knife. Now you can finish shaping it into the log size. But see, it actually did help shape it. You can smooth it out with a spatula, and if you want to flatten it down to make it more level, you can. The next step would be to wrap it up like that. Be very careful when you wrap it, and you can pat it while you roll it into the log. Refrigerate it. Once it hardens up, you can transfer it to a butter dish. This is one way to serve it. I'm going to be putting it on my burgers. I have a funny story to tell you. I made this spread for my neighbor. Her son claims to not like garlic. She got up in the middle of the night to check out the noise in the kitchen. He was eating the whole thing. She didn't know he had the whole thing until the next morning. But before he finished it, she asked him, "You want to know what's in it?" He said, "No, it's good." So she went back upstairs, never said a thing. Now, how many mothers out there would do the same thing to their kids that claim to not like something, but they know they're eating it, So they keep their mouth shut until they're done. Yeah, as long as it's not an allergic reaction, I would too. So she let him know the next morning. Don't give me the crap about you not liking garlic because that was fully loaded. She had a good laugh about that. This is what it looks like with a burger, with fries. You gotta have fries with a burger. And a cream cheese spread. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.